Hello, happy Thursday. The week has went by fast. So I'm breaking my fast with my smoothie. You can go back and watch my videos on what I put in my smoothie. But in this one it's a banana, 3 strawberries, some blueberries, my flaxseed, MCT oil, acai powder, I guess that's how you say it, a tablespoon of my monk fruit, my sea moss, my spirulina sea moss, and ice. Is that everything? Ice and a little bit of water. That's what's in my smoothie right here. I got my vitamin C mix that I drink. And then these are my supplements, my collagen, vitamin D, apple cider vinegar pills, and what's these? Omega Puriform. The Omega Puriform. So that's what I have here for my meals. I mean, for my meals. But basically, I have not worked out this week. You know, my body was just exhausted. I went really hard last week working out, and then the end of the week, from Thursday night all the way to Sunday night, I was running with my son. We dropped him off at school. Also, I want to say too, give this a thumbs up when you come in. This will help my videos get into the analytics on YouTube. Please give me a thumbs up. It's free. As soon as you click on the video, just thumbs it up. I appreciate that. But yeah, so I was just like, this week, you know what, I'm just chilling. I'm not going to push it. I also been stepping out of keto as well. I have had rice. I want to say every day this week I've had rice. And what I'm noticing, because I do step on the scale every day just to kind of see where I'm at and if whatever I'm doing is working. And what I've seen is that my weight is not bouncing back and forth like before. Like my weight would bounce back and forth if I got to like 225. I could get on the scale the next day and it would say 228, and it would just go down, and then it may stop at 227, 226. But what I'm noticing now that I've added carbs back in, like starchy carbs, is that my weight is now starting to go down much quicker and mostly stay at what my true weight is, even you know, even after a whole full day. And you know, because I eat late, and you know, if I weigh myself in the morning, it's not far off from where the end of my fasting weight is. So that was just something that I noticed this week. So it's probably time for me to switch it up a bit and just add more carbs, good carbs back into my diet, like sweet potatoes, rice, you know what I'm saying? Just not overdoing it, but just adding those back in for a little bit. It's called keto flexing. And just kind of go from there. So that's what I'm doing. So until the next time, peace. Happy Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday, so it's almost the end of the week, y'all. It's been a long week. Haven't really been on camera. Just trying to rest up some. I haven't worked out at all this week, and I'm not. My body was just tired. I worked out hard last week, and then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I was ripping and running with my son because he left off for college. We had to drive him up Sunday, and we didn't get back home until late Sunday. So whenever I'm running like that, I'm just like worn down. And so I just don't do anything and get myself back together. But if y'all could give me that thumbs up on the way in, leave your comments, let's chit chat. But give me that thumbs up, it's free, it don't cost you anything. As soon as you come in, just hit the thumbs up. I appreciate it. But I have here some lamb chops with some sauteed onion, And I have a big salad here with the little gem lettuce. It's like romaine and butter lettuce, 1 egg, some edamame, I think that's how you say it, tomato, onion, some feta cheese, my avocado and ranch dressing, and cucumbers. That's all, and olives. That's what's in my salad dressing. And then I do have some Mexican rice over here. I am, I guess you could say it's like keto flexing. So yeah, my body has been good with it. I've been doing carbs ever since Monday. Yesterday I had rice. So yeah, just doing my thing, being healthy. And then I do have this Zevia I bought. It's no sugar, 0 calories. I bought these when I first went food shopping. But I am going to stock up on them Virgil sodas because they are good. So as you can see, it's nothing. And stevia is allowable on keto. So it's nothing really to it. It does have that stevia taste, but when you're eating something else, it helps. So yeah, this is dinner, Wednesday night. And I will see y'all later. Peace, rich gang. Hey, 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 happy Wednesday. It is 10:29 and I'm just now eating my dinner. I broke my fast earlier with a protein fruit smoothie with all of my junk in it. I had 1 tablespoon of that sea moss that I just got. So here I got 6 olives, about 1/4 of a cup of the Fage yogurt with some blueberry compote and lemon juice. I got my keto bread toasted. Here is 3 whole eggs with a little bit of heavy cream, 2 slices of bacon, 2 ounces of avocado, and then 2 ounces of chicken patty sausages that I made. Is grounded up Italian chicken sausage. I, formed in the patties. So, and then I'm gonna have my pistachios, and I'll probably take me an hour or so, just picking at this, eating and watching TV to eat. So my goal is to be finished eating by 11:30, 12 o'clock, midnight the latest, because I don't fall asleep until like sometimes between 2 and 4 in the morning. So, and if I'm up, I get hungry again, then I start picking. And so I like to just hurry up and fall asleep. So, yeah, this is my dinner. Minus my pistachios. I eat my pistachios and olives every night. And then I got my water right there. And I want to tell you, this whole thing is carbs 42 total, fiber 20 grams. So this is 22 net carbs. So I'm under 30, and this whole thing is about 1,600 calories. I forgot to add in a tablespoon and a half of heavy whipping cream, a tablespoon and a half. So it's probably about 1,600 calories. And my goal for my weight is like 18, almost 1,900. But I normally do not eat that much ever. It's just the past couple of days I've been lucky enough to get over 1,000, and I don't like to undereat because I do work out really hard, and undereating is not going to get you anywhere. So I like to stay close. I did the macros calculator, and for my weight that it was like I was supposed to eat like somewhere between 22 and 2,400 calories, but then you gotta deduct, and that might have even deducted, but I just put 1,800. So I'm taking off the surplus already. You know what I'm saying? And then when I don't get up to 1,800 or sometimes even over 1,000, it's really not good. So I've been trying to add my fats in, like, my avocado you know, my olives, my pistachios, you know, things like that, my yogurt to kind of keep me going. So yeah, this is Wednesday night, on to Thursday. Hope everybody is safe, healthy. Please give me that thumbs up when you come in. It's free to help my videos get into the algorithm. I appreciate it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.